Hi. Hello, everyone. Thanks, Mike. My name is Joy. I'm here in Adelaide, South Australia. I'm originally from the Philippines and moved here 12 years ago when I married my husband. We have two beautiful kids, and they're my reason why I started this business because a couple of years ago, my son was assessed with the speech delay, and I know from there I needed to support him more and to give more time for him. He was assessed, he was diagnosed later on with ASD. And me and my husband, we're a traditional business owner. We have a local pizza shop here in the suburb for almost 7 years now. It's taking too much of our time away from our kids. And because of this business, I was able to stay home for them and work on my own time, on my own schedule. I do this business when they're in school, when they're on bed, and that's freedom for me. I can help my husband pay our mortgage. Actually, I just transferred more yesterday towards our mortgage. I was able to pay now more than 2 years our mortgage repayment in advance. So I'm very, very grateful, and this is through this business. And of course, another favorite of mine is the system and the community, because I was able to do this business online. I have no experience prior to this as well. Now I'm earning, my day is 5,000, and I actually have my biggest month on my 5th month, which is 17,737. It's huge. And it's all possible, and I know it is. I just saw the same in this webinar, and I just joined because I saw the potential of it. So if you guys are thinking, check it out and see it for yourself. You never know what if, right? Thanks, Mike.